Right. Like that one. All right. So, what are we doing today? What's the move?
We're at Knott's.
So we're at Knott's.
Okay, so we just went on Ghost Rider,
On Ghost Rider.
and then now we're gonna go on. What is this one called?
Side wind. No.
I don't know, but it's like
on the
burgers. Okay, so we went on the Silver Bullet, right?
Silver.
This was a Silver Bullet.
I said sulfur.
Silver Bullet, and then right now we're gonna go on the log ride. What do you rate Silver Bullet? Based off like this time that we went on.
This time, I didn't really feel that much, so I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. It's still a good one.
Yeah, I give it an 8. But it was really hot.
And then Ghost Rider.
Oh, Ghost Rider, I give it, I'd say like a 9 or like a 10, honestly. Even though I really felt the drop.
I can't even see me, right? I give Ghost Rider 10 out of 10.
The burgers.
Huh?
The burgers.
Burgers. Oh yeah, those.
I give that one a 6.
That one's like a 6. Yeah, I give it.
We just went on the log ride. This is Aftermath.
Just a little splash.
This is my Aftermath. I don't really have anything. So yeah. Oh, what do you rate that one?
That one, I like the animatronics and stuff, so I give it like a 7.
Okay. I think I'd say like 7.5. That was so cute. Aww.
Alright, so we just went on, what's it called? Rapid
Rivers.
Calaco's Rapid Burgers. And what do you rate that one? I rate that one, low key,
Like an 8.5.
today, for today, I rated like a, yeah.
Just
Or like an 8.
because
Or like an 8.
It wasn't really moving a lot.
I give it like a 7. I give it like a 7 because that shit was not it. This
It's
time,
8.5.
it was pretty lame. Like, I swear they
it's
had more
chill.
stuff last time.
But I only got wet right.
Yeah.
So yeah. Then we're gonna eat right now. Okay, so we got panda, we got rice, and what?
We got rice, we got teriyaki, we got thumb pao, and then we got...
Yeah, we're gonna eat before going on like the extreme rides. So David wants to go on hang time. I don't really want to because I'm scared. But I've been on it once. Or did we go twice or once?
She's already been on
At least
this
twice, right?
Twice. and accelerator. She's been on accelerator and she's been on hang time twice. No, accelerator only one time, but she's been on hang time already 2 times, and she doesn't want to go. She's like, I'm scared. You already done that.
So this is before, and we'll see after. But right now my heart is pounding, so I'll see. Okay, so we just got off hang time right here. So I rate it.
For me, it's just a 10 out of 10.
I think it's a 10. I was really scared, but I did it, and I liked it. So yeah. And then right now we're gonna go to. Are we doing accelerator now?
We're gonna do accelerator, and then after that, we're gonna do Supreme Scream.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
Oh my. So we just went on accelerator right here. And it was fun, but yeah, it was fun. I give it like a 10.
If anybody has any questions about my game right here,
I give it 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go. So now we're going here.
But I'm not going on that one.
Yeah.
No. So we just got off Supreme Scream, and I was crying, but I only cried when we were on the top. Like when we were like before the drop, I cried. I was crying because I got really scared. But I'm like a little shaky right now, but I really liked it, and I didn't feel the drop. So I told David that I want to go again. So we're in line again.
And she was literally crying the whole time.
Not the whole time, just the top.
No, you're crying on the way up too, man.
Oh well, yeah, like the way up, but not like when we dropped.
And I kept telling her, you're gonna like it, you're gonna like it, you're gonna like it. You always do this, you always do this. She's like, you don't know how scared I am.
So we did Supreme Scream again for the second time, and we felt it more. I don't know why, like it would feel more, right? 'Cause it's
The
same
second
shit.
time, yeah, felt a bit more.
Yeah, but I think that's enough of that ride for today. Until next time. Yeah, I rate that one like I'd say like
Right here, put it right
like
here.
8.5.
8.5.
Oh my, like 8.5 or 9 around.
Yeah, I give it a. I don't know. I don't know what I gave. No, I'll give it like an 8 out of 10.
8.
Yeah. Out of like thrill, 8. Out of like, I don't know. Yeah.
So we went to this sweet spot, and because David likes sweets, so he got a bunch of random stuff, and we're gonna try it. Whatever this is, I forgot the name.
Strawberry belt.
Well, grab yours. Okay.
Cool. Ready? Well. Is it like candy?
Yeah. Eat them.
Alright, so that one,
Okay.
that one was a you got a 5.
I'm saying 6.
Next.
No, because those are gonna be good. Good for last. Okay. These are, I think, peach-filled something gummies. So.
Not bad.
Not bad. I give it like a 5.
I give it a 4 or 5. 5. They're not bad, but they taste synthetic. Like,
What is this?
this is Pina Colada, some shit like that.
You like this?
Ah,
I give it a
I give it
two.
I give it a 3. Chocolate peanut.
Why'd you yell it?
It's
You're like chocolate peanut.
good. Yep.
I
This one,
give it like a 3.
I give peanut a 6. Jelly coated
Filled.
strawberry.
Yeah. Strawberry.
Alright, we're not posting this one.
Yes, we
This
are.
is epic fail, bro. Look, it works in the peach.
Nah. I mean, it doesn't taste like strawberry. It just tastes like
Nothing.
nothing. Yeah, literally nothing. Just like rubbery. I'm gonna give, what did I give the peach? Like a 3 or a 2?
Like a 3.
I'll give it the same as the peach. Either 2 or 3, whatever that was. And then these nasty ones. I've already tried these before, and I don't like them. And I tried eating, like, I thought you could eat, like, all of it, but no, you don't eat the wax. So, yeah. So, I don't even know how you eat this. My hair, is good.
This was terrible. They're like a 1.
I give it a 0. I think it's more fun to chew on.
That shit ain't it, man. I think the best one here is the chocolates and this one.
Alright. That's all for right now. I'm not gonna eat any more candy.
Me neither. So for wasting my money.
I kept telling him, like, why are you getting so much? Why are you getting so much? But no, I can't eat chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate. I wish I had like something.
Does not want chocolate. Okay, so we went on. What was the other one called? Was that one the Soul Spinner? I think it's called Soul Spin. We went on that one, and that was fun. Right now we're gonna go on whatever this is called. But yeah, I'm a little dizzy.
Los voladores.
Los voladores. Yeah, I'm a little dizzy. I think I'm just too old for this type of stuff now. Like my brain like mashes up.